Are you riding your train? Are you dancing? What a big boy. Cheyenne, Sierra, get the rug. He's stuck on the rug. Hey, he's stuck. Sierra, come get him. Look at the big boy riding the train. Turn it that way. Sierra, help him move it that way.
Our Marcia needs to see that, Joy.
Yeah, I'm going to send it to him.
Wait.
Okay.
Now look how he's doing.
He's got it on one leg. Put his other leg on there. You're so silly. There you go. Here, let me get over this way. Now you can ride it. Come on. Come on. Are you getting bored with it? Oh, you're going to push it now. Say hi.